Now let's discuss some questions, right? Your question pattern will be like this. There will be two sides. Yes or no, right? Okay. Um, if you want to write, you can write down also. That is better. Okay. Number of copy fair guy wait in a bit. You became late. Come here. Come. Yeah, you have to move a bit fast. Only in the morning traffic. Come. Yeah. So you became very late, right? Your height became bigger than mine. Come fast. Okay. Listen. Here are some MCQ. Take the correct option. What branch of science is astronomy? Sorry? Study of heavenly bodies. Who proposed five kingdom classification? Whittaker. What is the basic unit of classification? Zoom? This one you want to make bigger one? Okay. Why not? Everything is possible. Okay, now. If you have got problem, you can come and sit here. Yeah, I think she has got myopia. Myopia is a kind of problem in which we can see near objects clearly, but we cannot see faraway objects. You have to have spectacle like that girl. Okay. So now can you see? So who proposed five kingdom classification? Whittaker. What is the basic unit of classification? Which of the following kingdom do mushrooms belong to? Fungi. But if the question is which of the following kingdom do human beings belong to? Animal. What is the essence of mutation theory? Which one is correct? Sudden chromosomal change, right? Now let's see this one also here. Which muscle forms the wall of the heart? Who is the which nerve carries impulses to the central nervous system? But if the question is there, which nerve carries order from central nervous system to sense organs? Which nerve carries impulses or orders from central nervous system to sense organs? Motor nerve. Okay. Latecomers, we have got system of giving two slaps, right? Keep your hand down first. Then this one. Now I'm tired of reminding. Keep this side down. Keep your hands back. I will remind now. Which of the following gland is the mixed gland? Pancreas. Which of the following is the top consumer? Tiger. Abnormal missed. Okay, abnormal. Maybe they are anything. Now, here will be like this. See, class 9, subject science, time 3 hours is given, right? Yes or no? So, full mark 75, pass mark? How much? 30. One example of scientific question. Can you give? What is geology? What is geology? Study of heavenly bodies geology? That is astronomy. Oh, again another late came here. Come. One. Come here. Those you come. Those who come late, they'll get 2 times. I'm tired of reminding. Come on time. This. He said, be on time, eh? One. Don't want to remind now. Pandu will remind. Who will remind? Pandu. Here is Pandu. Every time, okay, please come on time. Please come on time. You can go back side. That side. Okay. What is science? Yes. Who developed the system for naming the organisms? Carolus Linnaeus. Right? Carolus Linnaeus. Mention any 2 types of mutation. Mention any 2 types of variation. You just remember. You might have thought that, oh, sir, this whole question will come. Not like that. This is a sample question. Understood or not? They are very smart. Oh, so copying this and that. In the exam, also reading this much only coming means that's not the way. Define embryology. Where does medulla oblongata arise from? Or question can be asked, what part of the brain forms the cerebrum? What part of the brain forms the cerebrum? So the cerebrum forms 2 by 3 parts of the brain. Out of 3 parts, 2 part is cerebrum. Remember. Or name the 3 layers of Manning's. Question can be asked. What are the three layers of meanings? They forgot. Dura matter, arachnoid matter, and pia matter. What is that? Dura matter, arachnoid matter, and pia matter. What is the spelling? Dura. Dura matter, arachnoid matter, and pia matter. What is ecology? Ecology. Yeah, is study of interrelationship between living beings and environment. That is called ecology. Oikos means environment, logos means study. What is the next question? No. These are very short. Now this is very short done, right? Now what is your short questions? Short questions.
Sir, I think it is down.
I think it's down, right? Oh. What are vestigial organs? Describe with two examples. How do you define vestigial organs? Which are functionless in our body, but functional in other organisms. But instead of vestigial organ, there may be the question analogous organs. What do you mean by analogous organs? Give two examples. Then you will be into a condition. Oh, sir said at the time, vestigial, I was just doing ratify of vestigial but came analogous. What to do with it? That's wrong concept. What do you mean by analogous organs? Those organs which have different origin but same function. Origin is different, function is same. Example is simply you can give two examples: wings of birds and wings of insects. Uh, you have discussed many more times drawbacks of Lamarckism, drawbacks of Darwinism. Yes or no? From there, one question may be asked. Right? Remember, just give me two drawbacks of Lamarckism. Question can be asked. Two drawbacks of Darwinism as well. Write the functions of cerebrum and cerebellum. What is the function of cerebrum? What does cerebrum do? Cerebrum is the main center of memory, intelligence, thinking, trust, hunger, etc. And what is the function of cerebellum? Yeah, it manages the posture. It is responsible for managing our posture. And this differences between exocrine gland and endocrine gland. Can you do? Possible or not? This is possible. Define ecological interaction. Give two example. Okay. Have we discussed that?
Yes, sir.
So, what are the different ecological interactions? Symbiosis, competition, commensalism, predation, right? Parasitism. These things you have to remember. Or instead of this one, question can be asked: give example of predation and competition. So you have to give the example. Understood? So questions are related like that. What do you mean by hormone? Write the function of parathormone. What is hormone? Chemical message of the body, but you have to write hormone is the chemical substance secreted by endocrine gland. Chemical substance endocrine secreted by endocrine gland and is also called chemical messenger. Why is hormone called chemical messenger? Why? Hormone is called chemical messenger because it helps to communicate among different organs of our body. Because it helps to communicate among different organs of our body. Define ecosystem. Interrelationship between biotic and abiotic components of an environment is called ecosystem. Who coined this term? AZ Tensley. When?
1935.
1935 AD. These things also please remember. What are the two important laboratory safety rules? I think I must not remind me any more things. You know it, right? And what is scientific notation? Right? What is its importance in scientific learning? What is classification? On what basis are living beings, living organisms classified?
Sir, on what basis?
On what basis they are classified? They are classified on the basis of cellular structure,
Modern.
mode of nutrition. So how many marks? It is 2 marks. Means 1 mark means you have write 2 points. Okay. Or locomotion. What are the 7 classification groups?
Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family,
Etc. Or here one question can be asked. So the taxonomical hierarchy of Musca domestica. Could you remember that chart? Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Right? What is mushroom? Name any 2 edible mushrooms. Agaricus bisporus. Next one, campestris. Agaricus campestris. So spelling must be written correctly. And for long questions, you have to go through your diagrammatic questions. Are there diagrammatic questions or not? So you practice all those things. Okay. And today I have just guided you these things. Question pattern is like this. So mainly what you have to do, you must keep on writing, practicing. In between your friends also just ask one question and write down. So that answer to your friend. Then you will remember. Understood or not? So MCQ just ticking. Tick the correct alternative. Like what a question can be asked? What is it? Like this, one question will be given, 4 options. How do scientific learning start? And they will be given 4 options. Tick the correct one. Okay. Class, no, this is example I just said. So here is answer also. See, here is question also. Here is answer also. But that answer will not be given. Only what will be given? Question. Yeah, this is also I think class 8. No, class 10. How much honey can a single honeybee make in its lifetime? Now here are 4 options. About half of a teaspoon, about a tablespoon, about an eighth of a tablespoon, about 500 grams. Which one is correct? You have to.
Sir, this is MCQ.
Yeah, no, it won't come. This is sample only. So I just told you, be confirm and tick it. When you submit MCQ, then you will get another question. So I will prepare like that question. Understood or not? Otherwise, there is chance of copying and cheating from others. They will keep up to the last and tell, "Hey, Anwar, number." Sign language is very fast. They understand very quickly. Teacher looking what they have said, what they said, but they understood and they write it. Isn't it? Okay. Now your practice time. Practice some questions which I have given to you and read. Long I just said diagrammatic questions. What do you practice? Diagrammatic. Diagrammatic, like, will you give me your book? So this one. So like first chapter, is there diagrammatic question or not? In first diagrammatic, it may not come. Hey. So others like here are the questions. Page number 38. A diagrammatic question number 6A and B, 6B. Mushroom. mushroom, 6A and 6B. Okay, this is the thing. All right, children, now listen. No more talking. Um, now, I think today is the last day of teaching learning activities before first term examination, and your exam will go up to 29th of Ashar. Then from 23rd to 1st of Shravan, that is holiday for you. For holiday, there is minor work to you. Okay? Sorry? Sorry? Bhaiva, I will add some. No, no, class 9. Class 9, there will be some questions can be asked, plus some diagrams can be asked you to draw. You have to do in that way, okay? Some diagrams you have to practice. Vacation homework means you have to prepare the slides. Slides preparation, no writing. But you have to prepare in Microsoft PowerPoint, not where? PowerPoint only. Yesterday I checked in Canva. How is it? Write the topic, write class, and whatever he thinks it gives over there.
But it does not contain such subject.
That's why I said. So, no Canva. Canva. Canva out, Canva in. Right? Yeah, that was AI present. Very fast. Within seconds they made. Per. Okay. Now, children, let me see here. Which class is this? Class 9, right? 4, 5, 6, we have already completed, right? Okay. Group A. Who are the members of Group A? Group A, you have to prepare slides of chapter 7. Okay? And they will present themselves. Now, this time, they have to present. How many days it takes for them to complete? It's their matter. Or I will may ask you to present others also. But that slide must be prepared by whom? Group A. Yeah. Whole chapter. How many members are there? How many members are there? 4 members. So divide into 4 equal parts into it. Okay. Group B. Vacation. That is your vacation homework. Group B. Group B. Your chapter is machine. Okay. Group B. Machine. Group C. Sources of energy. Group D. Wave. Group E. Electricity. Group E. Electricity. Okay. Got the idea? Okay. It will go like that. Yes. A, B, C, D. I have given up to chapter 11. And you have to send this by 1st of Shravan or by 2nd of Shravan also. Before your presence, it must come here. I will check at the time whether up to date slides have come or not. Understood? You can keep the slide, that animation, sounds, movement, whatever is there, make it very attractive one. But that work you can start after first term exam, not right now. Now you have to be focused for study. Okay, children, it's your time to practice all those questions. Start now.